Welcome back. Kalangut police arrested one lady pimp and rescued two girls in sex racket busted on Sunday at Shikeri. The lady pimp was caught red-handed while supplying girls to prospective customers. Two victim girls were sent to protective home at Merces. Lady pimp Shefali Sardar, resident of Malad, Mumbai, aged 28 years, was caught red-handed while supplying two girls to their prospective customers for the purpose of prostitution. Kalangut police has registered a case against accused lady under the Immoral Traffic Act 1956.
काल अराउंड 4:30 वरांचेर एक इन्फॉर्मेशन आयलें की काश्मीर हाऊस जो आसा सेंकेरी थंय एक प्रॉस्टिट्यूशनाचें डील जावपाचें आसा आनी एक लेडी पिम्प थंय दोन चलयांक कस्टमरांक दिवपाचें आसा. 6:30 सुमार तीग जाण बायल मनीस चलत आयले थंयसरल्यान. तातूंतली एक आशिल्ली ती मातशी एल्डरली दिसताली आनी ती फोन घेवन भोंवपाक लागली ह्या वटेन त्या वटेन. तो मागीर डावट आयलो तिचेर आनी मागीर आमी एक आमचो स्टाफ धाडलो कस्टमर म्हणून आनी तिका सांगपाक लागलें की आमीच ती चलयो मागलेल्यो. सो ती मागीर नेगोशिएशन करपाक लागली. मागीर कन्फर्म जालें की ती प्रॉस्टिट्यूशन डील करपाक आशिल्ली. सो मागीर आमी आख्या टिमीन वचून रेड घातले आनी त्या चलयां दोग जाण चलयो आशिल्ल्यो त्यो बॉम्बेच्यान हाडलेल्यो तेणी तांकां रेस्क्यू केली.
Video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent. In Merces double murder case, police remand of accused Ramesh Bhagve has been extended by 2 more days, while accused Osban Fernandes has been sent to judicial custody. Both the surviving kids of murdered couple Shivaji and Sujata Naik are still undergoing treatment in Goa Medical College.
Kole police on Monday got remand of accused Ramesh Bhagve for 2 more days, while accused Osban Fernandes was sent to judicial custody. As of now, Old Goa police has not got any chance to interrogate any of the accused, so they have moved a petition seeking accused duo's custody.
Petition had moved for remand of the further remand of the accused, and Ramesh Bhagve has been given 2 days police custody. 2 days police custody दिले ताका सांगे JMFCन आणि Osban Fernandes ताका 14 दीस judicial custody दिल्या. 14 days judicial custody. Meanwhile, the Old Goa police, they've asked for transfer of the accused.
Health of both the surviving kids of the murdered couple Shivaji and Sujata Naik is stable, but both are still undergoing treatment in the Goa Medical College. They will be sent to the state protective home once they are discharged.
Health is they are recovering. They are recovering to the normalcy.
Okay. And Osban has been not interrogated. Then how he has been sent in the judicial custody?
What is that?
Osban is not been interrogated by neither by.
No, they are PI Old Goa taking in the custody of Mr. Osban in their murder case.
Okay.
Because they also want to interrogate him now, so they will be taking the custody of Osban.
Yeah.
And then after that, if more facts are coming, we will also take in custody.
With video journalist Tulsidas Shari, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
The inmate who had exposed sale of drugs and other prohibited items inside the Sada jail, Vasco, is facing a threat to his life. The inmate on Monday filed an application before the Children's Court seeking security. His mother, while speaking to Prudent, expressed fear that her son might be poisoned in the jail.
After the sting operation by the inmate telecast on Prudent Media, the inmate was transferred from Sada to Agwada jail. The inmate on Monday filed an application before the Children's Court in Panji, claiming that he is facing a life threat. Mother of the inmate has also filed a complaint in this regard with Kalangut police.
अभी वो उधर वीडियो क्लिप निकाला और वो प्रूडेंट में डाला करके उसको पढ़ने कर दें इधर अगवाद में भेजा. मार्च को 6 तारीख को इधर भेजा था. अभी उसको वो प्रिजनर जेलर ऑफिसर लोग बहुत त्रास करता है कि हमारा ऑफिसर लोग के ऊपर क्लिप निकाला करके हमको प्रॉब्लम होता है करके. वो अभी उधर रहने को डरता है. मेरे को कोई भी मारेगा तो क्या करेगा, मेरे को गारंटी नहीं इधर रहने का. कुछ भी है तो मेरे को सिक्योरिटी दो. मैं खाना भी नहीं खा सकता है, लेकिन खाने में कुछ भी डाला तो क्या क्या करते हैं का. उसको बहुत डर है.
Inmate's mother also said that jail officials are angry with her son as he had exposed wrongdoings by the jail staff and officials at Sada sub-jail.
मैं कलंगुट में ऐसा ऐसा करके रिपोर्ट लिखा है, मेरा लड़के को डर है करके थोड़ा वो डाला नहीं. वो प्रिजनर जेलर का असिस्टेंट सुप्रिटेंडेंट का और लिखा नहीं उसमें, वो भी मैं कुछ भी हुआ तो जेलर के ऊपर आने का और क्या बोलने का, वो बहुत डरता है अभी।
आपको उसने ऐसा बोला कि उसको डर है?
हाँ डर है,
खाने में कुछ?
हाँ खाने में भी कुछ डालत करके 2 दिन खाना नहीं खाया बोलते हैं, फ्रूट्स खा के वो है अभी क्या करने का, उसको सिक्योरिटी देने का, नहीं तो उसको वो मारा 120 आदमी मारा तो क्या करेगा।
With video journalist Mukesh Kumar for Prudent, senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
Murgaon Municipal Market Inspector Mohan Arlekar was suspended on Monday. The suspension comes on the backdrop of failure by municipal authorities to control alleged illegalities at the Holy Spirit Church Feast Fair in Murgaon. Meanwhile, Green Goa Foundation has threatened to file contempt petition before the court if municipal authorities fail to act.
He has not obeyed my orders properly, and he has misguided the people, and also he is speaking to media anyhow what he wanted, and he is not taking up the action against the people who have erected pandals on the road, encroached the footpath. I had given him also police protection, wherein I have clearly told him to remove the whatever was erected there. But he just started talking all these things, and in the evening when our Arthur De Silva CP was doing the inspection, he saw everybody has encroached this, and it is found that already footpaths were full, so he was also angry, and I also wanted to talk to him very urgently, but he refused to talk. He never lifted his phone. That's why we suspended him pending inquiry.
However, the chairman of Green Goa Foundation, Raisin Almeida, says that the suspension is merely an eyewash. Green Goa Foundation will approach the court if the encroachments are not cleared.
Chief officer was aware that we are going to file a contempt petition, and just to avoid that, to put a blame on the inspectors, municipal inspectors, she is trying to show that I have suspended one of the officers. That is not the excuse in contempt petition. We are just waiting up to Saturday. We are not filing the contempt petition now because we are just giving them ample of time. Tomorrow they should not come in the court and state that immediately contempt was being filed and I have moved to remove that thing. We don't want to tolerate all that.
Reporter Sameer Bhatt and Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.